If you're looking for an easy way to add more fiber to your diet, you've come to the right video. Because this morning, I'm going to show you how to make this high fiber chia seed pudding recipe. Here's all the key nutrition facts for this chia seed pudding with or without added berries. And this breakfast is not only highly nutritious and tastes amazing, but it is truly super easy to make, and I'm going to show you step by step just how easy it is to make, along with going over absolutely all of the ingredients and things you'll need to make this super simple recipe. All right, here we go. The start of the show that makes making this super easy is this nut maker. It's easily one of the best appliances / investments I've ever made because of how often I use it and how easy it is to use, and I'm going to show you just exactly how easy it is to make soy milk with it right now. First thing we have to do, of course, is fill it up with soybeans. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons. Now that we have 4 tablespoons added, I'm going to unplug it and then fill it up with water up to where it says hot drink. Now that I filled it with water and plugged it back in, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And then we're going to come down over here and I'm going to hit the mode button 5 times to get it over to the boil setting and hit start. In case you're wondering how loud this is. And it does that for about 15 minutes. Just in time, our nut milk maker is done boiling. And if I take the lid off, you can see we have a nice fresh batch of soy milk. For this chia seed soy milk pudding recipe, we want to use half a cup of soy milk for every 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you remember from earlier, I put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in each of these jars. So I'm going to use this measuring cup to measure out half a cup of soy milk and pour it into each jar to make sure that we've distributed this evenly. Then as soon as we put the soy milk inside the jar, we're going to pop the lid on, attach it securely, and we're going to shake it up while the soy milk's still hot, because this is going to help the soy milk coagulate when it's mixing with the chia seeds. Also, you'll notice that as I pour the liquid, the creatine dissolves pretty much instantly. If you do it as soon as the soy milk's brewed and it's hot, then the heat really helps a lot with that, regardless of whatever brand you use. But if not, truly, Gains in Bulk is the easiest one to use because it'll dissolve instantly, even if you're using cold liquid. Now that it's been 10 minutes, we're going to just go ahead and give these another shake to make these thicken a bit further, though as you can see, it's already starting to have a nice consistency. After agitating all of these jars, at this point, as you can see, the mixture has pretty much already become pudding, but I'm going to put all of these in my fridge and let them rest overnight for it to thicken even further and become really nice. If you can't wait to eat these, or you just don't want to wait too long, it's probably good after a few hours, but again, I usually do it overnight, so I'm going to refrigerate this overnight and come back in the morning. Good morning. It's been about 15 hours, so we're going to go ahead and take one of the puddings out to have them for breakfast. Here we go. Boom. Just like that, as you can see, the pudding is now fully solidified. This chia soy pudding is refreshing and nutritious by itself, but this is the point in time where I'm going to add my 1 cup of mixed berries. These frozen berries are not only going to give this a bit of a flavor boost, but it's really rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and of course, high in fiber as well. Just like that, we're ready to start off the day with our nutritious, high fiber breakfast. And now for the best part. Cheers. It's super satisfying and really motivates me in the mornings to go ahead and knock out the rest of my day. And that's it. Congratulations. Now you know exactly how to make this high fiber chia seed pudding recipe and absolutely everything you need to make this. And just like I promised you, it's super easy. So if you're looking for an absolutely delicious, highly nutritious way to start off your mornings, add more fiber to your diet, build a healthy body and mind, make this chia seed pudding recipe for yourself today, and you're going to be set.